In this video, we're going to take a look at actions in ProPresenter, where to find them, how they work, and how you can leverage them to trigger helpful automated functions. Actions can be added to multiple items in ProPresenter. While slide actions may be the most common, you can also utilize actions when building macros or when adding playback markers to a media or audio file. To view available actions, start by right-clicking a slide and selecting Add Action. This provides a menu of tools that can automate changes across your presentation. Clear allows you to clear custom clear groups or specific layers, such as audio, media, video input, props, slides, messages, and announcements. Audience Look lets you trigger a different look based on what portion of the service you're in. Clicking a slide with a look action will update the active layers on your screens automatically, enabling you to reconfigure all displays with a single click. Stage allows you to trigger a selected stage layout when that action is triggered, helpful for supporting musicians, speakers, and production teams. Slide Destination lets you choose to send a slide only to your stage displays without appearing on your audience screens. This is useful for cues, stage directions, or lyrics intended only for on-stage talent. Timers assigns a countdown or stopwatch timer to a slide to help track timing during your service or event. Props shows content on the prop layer, such as additional branding, lower thirds, or callouts, independent from your slide design. Messages triggers temporary messages such as nursery alerts or service reminders. These display above slides, announcements, and props when activated. Media and audio playlists trigger a sequence of media or audio files instead of a single asset, ideal for pre-service loops or background environments. Communication provides access to protocols like MIDI cues, DMX, and others depending on your setup, allowing ProPresenter to interact with lighting consoles, switchers, and other devices. Audio and video inputs lets you activate specific audio channels or camera sources, helpful for moments where live inputs need to appear on screen at the right time. Macros bundle multiple actions into a single trigger. We'll take a closer look at creating and using macros later in this video. And finally, Capture enables a slide to start or stop a local recording or a live stream. For even more advanced options, choose Action Palette by selecting it or click View Action Palette in the menu bar. This displays the full list of available actions. You can drag and drop actions directly onto slides or macros from this window, which can be faster when building multiple interactive elements. If you ever need to adjust an action, right-click on a slide or media and choose Edit Action to update its settings. And if an action is no longer needed, select Remove Action to clear it from the slide. If you find yourself using a combination of actions frequently, you can add them as a macro under Show Controls. Create a macro by clicking the plus sign, then add all of the actions you'd like that macro to trigger. Once completed, you can add a macro to a slide under the right-click menu, or by dragging the macro from Show Controls to the slide you wish to use it on. If you enter the Marker tab of the Media Inspector, any action can be linked to playback markers as well. By integrating actions into your slides, you can automate key transitions, reduce manual work, and ensure a smooth, consistent experience for both your audience and production team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.